Creating thank you pages that re-engages visitors. Well, let's be real. Most thank you pages are like dead ends. Someone signs up for your lead magnet, makes a purchase or books a call, and where do you send them? A dull thank you page that says thank you and we will be in touch. That's it. No call to action, no engagement, no next step. It's like having someone walk into your shop, hand over their money, their time, and you say, thanks, bye. Now, instead of guiding them to something else they might love. And that's a huge wasted opportunity. Now, imagine this. Your thank you page doesn't just say thanks. It invites them to watch a video, join a community, book a free onboarding call, or buy something else they didn't even know they needed. Now, thank you pages can be the most underutilized real estate in your funnel. And today, I'm going to help you turn that boring screen into a conversion powerhouse. Whether you're capturing leads, selling products, or booking appointments, you will walk away knowing how to design thank you pages that boosts engagement, increases retention, and unlocks unexpected revenue. Let's go. We'll go through a full transformation process from a basic thank you page to a smart strategic asset inside your GoHighLevel funnel. Starting with step 1. Understanding the visitor's intent at this stage. So before designing anything, you ask yourself, what action did the visitor just take? What mindset are they in now? What's the next most valuable thing I can offer? For example, if they just downloaded a lead magnet, offer them a short video walkthrough of what's next. If they booked a strategy call, give them steps to prepare plus social proof. If they purchased, offer them a bonus or limited time upsell. Always design with intent. Step 2, you log into GHL and create a new funnel step. You go to sites, funnels, choose your funnel. So I'm not going through the practical side of it because we have already done it a number of times and you already understand how to add a step to the funnel, create a new design, and so on. So like inside the funnel editor, you drag and drop a headline that says you are in, here is what happens next. A short video. You upload a personal or a screen recorded messages with 2 buttons at the bottom that says join our VIP community, which has a link to the Facebook group, Slack, Telegram, or WhatsApp. And then the second CTA button could be watch this bonus training, a link to a free upsell or a value video. You keep the video personal, just 1 to 2 minutes, selfie style, builds trust instantly. Step 3, you add smart CTAs. Use a thank you page to direct attention to a low ticket product, a calendar booking maybe, onboarding demo intro call, a wait list or a workshop, social media follow or a subscription, referral and affiliate invite. So here is a pro trick for you. Use a progressive CTA layout where the most valuable next step is at the top and the less urgent ones below. For example, step 1 could be watch this quick video. Step 2 could be download your free bonus. Step 3, book your free call. And step 4 could be join our private community. Now this sequence subtly trains users to take multiple actions. And next you add tracking and analytics. You go to funnel settings, add Google Tag Manager or Pixel and set up conversion events. Step 5, you can add dynamic personalization as well by using merge tags or contact data to personalize messages like, hey Sawan, thanks for joining. Based on your interest in workflow trigger, here is what I recommend next. So if you're using custom field or UTM parameters, you can dynamically adapt the thank you page content for advanced segmentation. Step 6, you test different variations. Test 3 types of thank you page formats. Static page with text plus button, video thank you page with micro CTA, or a bonus offer page with urgency timer. Try different combinations and track which leads to the most next actions. Step 7, add the page into your automation. In workflows, after form submission, add action, go to funnel step, thank you re-engagement, and so on. So nothing very difficult. So here we come to an end, and let me leave you with this. Your funnel doesn't end at thank you. It actually begins there. That page is prime time to deepen the relationship, continue the journey, and unlock hidden revenue without spending another dime on ads. So, here is your action plan. Go into your funnel and open your current thank you page. Ask, what else could this person do next that helps them and helps me? Add a short welcome video. Link to at least 2 more actions, a community, a low ticket product, a booking calendar, a bonus, and so on. Make it feel warm, useful, and human. And just like that, you have turned a boring end screen into a re engagement engine. Now, go surprise your audience with what happens after the thank you page. You are building not just funnels, but relationships that convert. So, keep going.